contribution, is the equity level appropriate for the project? Because you don't want a project that is overly geared, right? So you don't want 90% debt, 10% equity. Why do we think that's important?
Yes, you need to have some stake in it.
Exactly.
Periodic each capital expenditure distributable balance.
Yes. Yes. So you now have to divide this with 20 to get a depreciation.
Okay.
Now we are done with non-current assets, right? We need to move to working capital. We have two working capital here: account receivables and account payables. Account receivables are your debtors. Account payables are your creditors. Correct?
It's been an interesting experience, really. I mean, sitting and talking about project finance for this couple of days is actually one coming at a good time. One of the problems we have as a country is that we don't have enough of trainers or training bodies with respect to project finance and some other sectors, particularly project finance in Nigeria. And this is actually an opportunity. Most of the training bodies, you see them outside the country. So this is one homemade, right, and is indigenous to us.
I must say it was a very, very thrilling experience, just dealing with very hungry professionals that really wanted to learn. They really wanted to understand the concept of project finance. And it was extremely insightful, and it was a learning experience for me as well. While teaching, I was also learning. And I would certainly recommend this course for anyone that is looking to learn the basics of project finance and even the modeling aspect. We're very patient over here at BFI Insights. So this is a must do for anyone that wants to learn about project finance.